Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Lelouch, board-certified OB/GYN physician with over 30 years of experience. Today we're going to talk about leg cramps in pregnancy. Leg cramps can happen anytime, especially calf cramps. That's what we're going to focus on. But they are a little bit more common in pregnancy. So we encourage you to exercise, to do some stretching exercises, which you might not need to do necessarily before you're pregnant. That's where you put your hands up against the wall, you stick your leg back, and you want to take your foot and be pushing it in that manner to stretch your calf, okay? And do it for both sides. That will help reduce leg cramps. Also, be careful about sweating a lot or dehydration. So if you find you're going out on walks or doing activity and you're sweating, you need to replace those electrolytes. That's what Gatorade is for. I like Gatorade Zero or Powerade without the glucose, without the sugar in it. So the Zero, if you are trying to keep your weight down or you have diabetes of pregnancy, but if you're very thin and you have troubles maintaining your weight, then the full calorie Gatorade would be fine. You can also take some over-the-counter magnesium oxide. That sometimes helps and to reduce your leg cramps. And also be sure to avoid exercise a couple hours before going to bed. That interferes with sleep, but it also increases your chance of leg cramps or restless legs. So 2-3 hours before going to bed, you want to start winding down and not do that exercise. So what do you do if you do have a leg cramp? Well, it's pretty important to act quickly, because the longer you have the cramp, the longer it'll hurt afterwards. And if this is your foot, the key is getting your foot up like this. Now, trick is, that's hard to do even if you're not pregnant, but when you're pregnant, you won't be able to reach down and grab your foot and go like that with it. So that's what your partner is for. If they're handy, have them pull your leg up, grab your leg, pull it up. If you don't have a partner available or they're sound asleep and you can't get them up in time, one of the things you can do is get out of bed and then put your hands against the wall and stretch your foot out behind you so that your foot is raised, and then try and relax your muscles. It's a contraction of your calf muscle and it has to relax, so you have to stretch it back out. If you're skilled with your feet, there's another trick you can do laying in bed. Not everyone can do it, but if you think of your big toe and your foot, you take your other foot, if the cramp is in this, you put your heel between your big toe and your foot, and you relax and you pull that foot back. And you can do that and get rid of the cramp right away. And that will help as well. So I hope you found these hints and explanations helpful. Please leave your comments. Thank you.